One is using your smart contract itself. You can interact with our smart contract to send notifications to the network. And the second way is using SDKs, which is off-chain and gasless. The third way is using the dashboard that we have, which you can interact with and send out the notifications. So there are two domains. One is app.push.org, which is the production app that interacts with the mainnet contracts. And for testing purposes, I'm just going to use staging.push.org. If you guys want to try it out with me, like it's not. If you guys have Sepolia Ethereum with you, feel free to try it out. Staging.push.org. I'll keep this open for a bit. So if everyone's in, I can go to the next step. So the link is staging.push.org. So this is the app. It's a front end that you can use to interact and test out push protocols features that we have right now. The first one is the notifications. As I previously mentioned, to be able to send notifications, you should have a push channel created on the network. That's where like the channels. This is basically an explore kind of page, which lists all the channels that are open right now. You can see like Uniswap channel and some of these LeFi and some of these channels already created. When you subscribe to, let's say you subscribe to Superfluid activity notifications, every time your wallet receives some kind of a Superfluid incoming stream, you will get a notification. And likewise, let's say you subscribe to LeFi, you will get LeFi related notifications, which you can also customize, like what type of notifications I want. So just feel free to go through this. These are testnet channels, so I don't think there's any serious channels out there, but feel free to use the production variant, which is app.push.org, to try out these real world notifications out there. And when you receive notifications, you will see here I'm just using a dummy wallet, so there's no notifications here, but once you subscribe, you will start getting notifications on your inbox. And again, there's two tabs where when I mentioned spam protection, there are a lot of ways. Since your wallet address is publicly available, anyone can spam you, right? Anyone can create a channel creation cost is very less, so anyone can spam you. So to avoid that, the network itself puts everything on spam if you are not subscribed to a particular channel. So there's also something called chat. Feel free to test this out. So today we'll not go deep into this, but again, it's a pretty easy one. You can unlock your profile. It'll ask you to sign a message, and then you can do a bunch of things. Maybe chat with the bot, or maybe create your own token gated groups. So this is what we are going to show you. I think you guys can also follow along if you want. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a new channel on Push network and try to send a notification to a wallet address. So I think you guys have connected your wallet, right? You guys have connected your wallet, right? So once you do that, you'll be able to see the screen, and pretty much you can just fill some mock values there. So we just filled some mock values here. Basically channel name, channel category, description, and URL. And we go to the next step. I'm gonna give some random logo. And this is where I was mentioning you will need some push tokens as well as some Sepolia Ethereum to create a channel. I believe I have some push tokens. you will see a button to claim push tokens if you are on staging website. Do let me know if you're not able to see it, but you should be able to claim some testnet push tokens. Once you claim it, you can also create a new channel. So I'm going to just hit create channel. So this is an actual Sepolia ETH transaction. I am signing this transaction. Okay. Yeah, I think this is not working. There's some problem. Okay. Okay, I think there's some problem with this particular thing. But yeah, I think that shows how it's done. You can create this channel probably later when it works. Once you create a channel, you will be able to see a way where you can send notifications directly to any wallet address. You will see a button here. I think I can probably show my other wallet.
So we need like testnet push.
Yeah. So you will be seeing a button to claim testnet push, right? Are you seeing those buttons there? No.
I have Sepolia.
Yeah, you can click this. You can click this link, and you should be able to get some tokens. Yeah, once you sign this, you will be getting some testnet push on your wallet, which you can use. Yeah, so this is my other account that has a channel already created. So this is how it will look once you create a channel. You will be seeing subscribers, plus you can also add delegates, which means like you can add your smart contract to send notifications on your behalf to your users, which goes under delegates. And you can also add more chains. Let's say you want to send a notification from a different EVM chain, can be like Polygon or Binance chain or whatever. You can add your chains here, and this is where you can use to send notifications out to your users. Let me see if this works. Yeah. So as you can see, there are 3 ways how you can send a notification. What you can do is you can blast a notification to everyone that's subscribed to your channel, which is like a all one to many kind of a notification. And the second one is targeted notification, where you can say I want to send a notification only to one user or few set of users. And the third one is the set of users that you want to target. Second one, targeted, is one wallet that you want to target. Let's say I want to send a notification to one user, so then you would use targeted. Let me just do targeted here, and let me quickly copy my second wallet address. I'm just going to put this here. And yeah, so we will hit send, and this is also going to create a signature once you sign it. Yeah, the notification is sent. Now when I connect my other wallet, it might be in spam because the other wallet has not subscribed to this particular channel on Sepolia. So now we are connected. We are now connected to the second wallet and in the inbox. Yeah, so you see it in spam right now. This is the notification that is sent, and it's in spam because I have not subscribed to this particular channel. But once I subscribe, it will be on my inbox. Pretty straightforward, very straightforward. this is how you differentiate spam plus the ones that you really care about. I think that's pretty much it about creating a new channel and sending notifications. This is, I would say, like, this isn't the interesting part. The interesting part stays in the chat, where you can create token gated chats and private groups and such things. I would definitely recommend you visit push.org/docs, where we have everything. You can use this quick start. It teaches you how to do it, and in like hardly, like, 5-10 minutes you'll be able to send messages from your wallet to a different wallet using push network. We do also have example apps. We do also have a playground where you can just play with the SDK components. Like, we have React front-end components for you to just copy paste as well, so you don't have to worry about a lot of coding by yourself. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. Probably, I think you guys got a little bit of idea about what we are doing with Push Protocol. We also have bounty, I think, for $3,000 for Invisible Garden people, happening. I think probably next week we'll have that hackathon. It's a one-day hackathon. You can build my small app, or maybe you can integrate Push Protocol's chat or notification to your existing projects that you guys are working for Invisible Hackathon. You will be eligible for, I think there are like 4 tracks, 1K, 1000, 1000, 500, 500. So a small integration, and you should be able to win $1,000. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for today. Thank you guys. Do let me know if you have any questions. I would be happy to explain them, as well as if you need any documentation or any links. Feel free to tag us on Discord. Even we are also there in the Invisible Gardens Discord. So yeah, thank you guys.
I have a quick question.
Yeah.
Like, I created my channel.
Okay.
How can I get subscribers? How can I share the link?
So the way how it works is so the way how it works is, when you use your, let's say you use your wallet 0x1 to create a new channel, your channel gets the same address as your wallet. So the way how you ask someone to subscribe is, you give your wallet address to them, and they can just input it in here, and then they can just subscribe. So you create it, right?
Yeah.
So this is your channel address, 0x9x3, right? You could just copy this and give it to someone. All they have to do is just go to channels, and they can just put it in here, and they can subscribe it from here. So you can also have variety of settings. You can just say cool notifications, marketing notifications. I have settings like that, and they can also select what type of notifications I want to receive from you. So you can do that.
And that address can be changed?
What?
This address can be changed or not?
This address cannot be changed. Yeah, because each channel is tied to a master wallet address, which is the address of the channel itself.
Okay, so, and can I use like a multi-sig from the
Mm.
team?
You can use it.
Nice.
So once you, I think, then the channel will get the multi-sig address.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or maybe like in prod, I should use another one.
Yeah, you can use any wallet. Plus, you can also add your, like, you have a multi-sig with 3 signers or 2 signers.
Yes.
Then you can also add those 2 signers as a delegate into your channel.
Okay.
So they